Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Quick Bites World Food. Today's episode will explore Turkish Kisir. I am your host, Lily Parker, from Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island, USA. Let's get started. Kisir is the vibrant, beloved cornerstone of Turkish meze culture, a salad so bursting with color and flavor it is often called a celebration in a bowl. At its base lies fine bulgur wheat, not soaked in water, but in a dynamic blend of tomato and pepper pastes thinned with a splash of hot water. This crucial step infuses the grains with a deep, ruddy hue and a foundational savoriness. The soaked bulgur is then transformed into a confetti of freshness with a generous mix of finely chopped vegetables, crisp scallions, peppery parsley, refreshing mint, and juicy tomatoes. The true magic, however, lies in its signature dressing, a bright, tangy amalgam of pomegranate molasses, ekşisi, and fresh lemon juice. This duo provides a captivating sweet and sour punch that defines the dish. It is enriched with olive oil and seasoned with cumin and biber, red pepper flakes, creating a symphony of herbal, tart, and subtly spicy notes. Kisir is inherently a social food. It is the star of casual gatherings, potlucks, and picnics, often served heaped on a large platter, garnished with lemon wedges, crunchy lettuce leaves, and more parsley. The lettuce leaves are not mere garnish. They are used as fresh, edible cups to scoop up the salad, adding a cool, crisp texture to each bite. More than just a side dish, Kisir is a testament to Turkish culinary alchemy, the art of turning humble, pantry-ready ingredients into something vivacious and satisfying. It is a dish that tastes of sunshine, shared tables, and the irresistible, tangy soul of Anatolia. Every forkful is a burst of freshness, texture, and communal joy. In conclusion, I hope you enjoyed this episode on Turkish Kisir. Follow us on the next round for another exciting and educational podcast here on Quick Bites. Until then, eat well and stay well. Ciao.